Hey, it's Sam here, and this is the Ticktype DP104. It's a full-size tri-mode keyboard with a CNC aluminum case and features a retro-inspired design with an LED matrix display. In this video, I have the powder white version paired with the linear switches, which is priced around $199. Starting off with the unboxing, there's of course the hard shell carrying case, the paperwork for the keyboard, a braided Type A to Type C cable, a switch and keycap puller, a pack of extra Mac OS keycaps, another pack with spare gaskets and parts with the 2.4 GHz wireless receiver, 3 extra switches, and the DP104 keyboard, which is really heavy, weighing just over 2.1 kilograms or 4.7 pounds due to the CNC aluminum case. Moving on to the design, the keyboard has a 104 key exploder layout, and it has a custom badge and an LED matrix display on the top right corner which displays the time, some sparkle effects, an audio visualizer, a scrolling Ticktype logo, what you're currently typing, and a custom effect which you can configure with the driver. Not only that, it also has some ambient RGB lighting with the volume controls above the arrow keys, a red frame surrounding the escape key, some yellow on the back with the Type-C port in the middle and the tri-mode toggle and OS switcher on the right, more red pieces on the sides, and 4 non-slip feet on the bottom with the Ticktype logo CNC'd into the case. And there's also a mirror finish PVD weight as well with the keyboard name and logo. Going back on top, the keyboard comes with cherry profile die-cut PBT keycaps with a retro design and colorway, neo linear switches which are pre-looped and has a Thocky sound signature, plate-mounted stabilizers that are very generously lubed, a butterfly leaf spring-mounted polypropylene plate that's soft and flexible, and a 5-pin hot swap south-facing PCB with per-key RGB and flex cuts. Carrying on to the software, the keyboard uses a customized version of VIA. So with the JSON file, you can remap all of the layers and keys with the functions listed here, record and import macros, save and load different layouts, configure the RGB lighting effects for the backlight, underglow, and LED matrix, access even more settings like N key rollover, the sleep timer, the debounce, SOCD, alternative trigger, the date and time, connection modes, and the firmware. Besides that, you can also customize the RGB LED matrix with new frames and scrolling effects, and update the firmware for the keyboard as well. Diving into the teardown and components inside, the case is held together with a screwless bulkhead structure and the components inside are mostly connected with magnets. This allows for easy assembly and disassembly. So taking a look at the top case, it has the accented pieces mounted here with the LED matrix and volume buttons which are magnetic, as well as the bulkhead structure components on the sides. As for the bottom case, there's 2 pieces of sound dampening mods inside, the butterfly leaf spring mounts on the sides with the bulkhead structure that holds the case, and some force brake mods to keep everything free from damage. Besides that, there's also the 8 screws holding the PVD weight, which is covering the 8000 mAh battery and daughter board here. For the plate and PCB, there's just 2 screws holding them together and they're right next to the magnetic pins. With the screws removed, the plate and PCB can be taken apart and there's 3 sound dampening mods sandwiched in between here. Anyways, that was everything about the keyboard, and here is the typing sound test. Please enjoy. Alright, here are my final thoughts on the Ticktype DP104. Honestly, after using and testing the keyboard, I really like the retro-inspired design and how all of the colors and components come together. Of course, the LED matrix is the standout feature here, and I find it quite fun to use and customize. Not only that, the keyboard feels really premium and heavy with the CNC aluminum case, and the bulkhead structure and magnetic components really adds to that premium feel. Plus, on top of all of that, it sounds really talky too. So if you're looking for a feature-packed full-size keyboard with a unique design and premium feel, the Ticktype DP104 might be the perfect one for you. As usual, everything will be linked in the description below if you're interested, and that does it for this video. Thanks to Ticktype for the keyboard, and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.